Introduced to the world in 1966, there is no other car that comes close to the Toyota Corolla in terms of sales. By 2021, it was claimed that Toyota had sold over 50 million Corollas in the entire world from the time of its inception. The second car on the list is the Volkswagen Beetle, which trails behind by leaps and bounds at a modest figure of over 21 million. This is also because Toyota never stopped manufacturing the Corolla, which is now in its 12th generation. This is the car that has stood the test of time like no one else. There is hardly any corner of this world where you won't find a Toyota Corolla, new or old. You are sure to find one in your vicinity wherever you are on this planet. With the arrival of the 2023 version, we do not expect the legend of the Toyota Corolla to die anytime soon. With technology evolving every day, the Toyota Corolla is as equipped and potent as others in its segment, and at times, a segment above too. The availability of the hybrid drivetrains that Toyota is famous for means that this Japanese giant is here to stay much longer than most of the car makers we have these days. Considered to be one of the most iconic cars to be ever built in the automotive world, the Toyota Corolla gets a much-needed upgrade for the year 2023. The new avatar of the Toyota Corolla gets new looks, refreshed interiors, a new infotainment system, and safety features. The new Corolla does beat the competition on paper, but does this Toyota have what it takes to be chosen over an SUV? Well, the new version of the Corolla does offer decent power output with great mileage and features that might make people prefer it over an SUV. Not to forget the wholesome list of comfort, technology, and safety features. In Toyota's words, the 2023 Corolla is quite different as compared to the previous generation Corolla, bringing major upgrades to performance, safety, and multimedia. The front and rear ends of the 2023 Toyota Corolla have been revamped to give it a more distinct and meaner look. The new Corolla pumps more power and still manages to deliver better fuel efficiency. The old 1.8-liter petrol engine, delivering 139 HP and 126 pounds-ft of power and torque, has been replaced by a 2-liter motor delivering 169 horses and 151 pounds-ft of torque. This also means that the new Corolla is 2 seconds quicker than the old version while doing the 0 to 60 miles per hour run. The new version does it in around 7 seconds. Somehow, this also results in better fuel efficiency for the 2023 Toyota Corolla. The new Corolla delivers 32 mpg within the city, 41 mpg on the highways, and 35 mpg combined as compared to 30, 38, and 33 mpg that the previous Corolla delivered. This has been achieved by attaining 40% thermal efficiency of the new motor. Thanks to these numbers, the new Toyota Corolla has an overall range of roughly 540 miles on the highways. All the models of the 2023 Toyota Corolla now come packed with the safety technologies like a proactive driving assist, obstacle anticipation assist, and deceleration assist. There will also be an 8-inch high-resolution touchscreen as standard across all the variants. If you do not want to buy a car for venturing into the wild on a weekend or take the roads less traveled on your way somewhere, a sedan will happily accompany you in your daily chores. The fact that a sedan like the 2023 Toyota Corolla here is cheaper than a 2023 Honda CR-V by roughly $10,000 makes it an option to consider before buying a CR-V, or any SUV for that matter. The entry-level Honda CR-V X in a 2WD setup costs over $32,000 for the bare minimum version. The power delivery of a 2023 Honda CR-V is 190 HP, and that of a 2023 Toyota Corolla is almost 170 HP. For many, this much of power loss can be compromised with a savings of roughly $10,000. Honda claims that the fuel efficiency of the 2023 Honda CR-V is 28 MP in the cities, 34 miles per hour on the highways, and 30 miles per hour combined. Compare these figures with the figures of the 2023 Toyota Corolla, 32 mpg within the city, 41 mpg on the highways, and 35 mpg combined. You do not need to be a genius to understand that this means more savings and smiles for every gallon your car drinks. The space, features, towing capacity and capability might change in both cases, but most of us end up not even using 70% of our car's potential. So, if you want to save a sizable portion of your earnings every month on the fuel spent, the 2023 Toyota Corolla makes absolute sense over an entry-level SUV.
I got a switch in my head, I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red, now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said, I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget, so now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near.